Let me inform the body that the proposed Philippine Civil Registry Act is among the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council Priority Measure, or LEDA. May I seek the assistance of our members to please attend the committee meetings to be scheduled by the COMSEC on the matter and even other legislative measures for future deliberation by the committee. I can say that this committee has the most controversial and divisive referral of measures since the committee facilitated the approval into law some landmark legislations to include Responsible Parenthood, Philippine ID System Act, Mandatory PhilHealth Coverage for all senior citizens, National Commission on Senior Citizens Act, Centenarian Act, Expanded Senior Citizens Act, Permanent Validity of the Certificate of Live Birth, Death and Marriage Act. The copies of this committee accomplishments were incorporated in the organizational kit distributed to the members. The Committee on Populations, which has reconstituted on the 5th of August 2025, has the most number of all the committees. We have 12. So the others have 50, but we are the outstanding committee. And the most populous. So now we consider the approval of the rules of procedure of the committee on rules on page 18 of the thin booklet. Most of the provisions of the committee on rules were lifted from and are consistent with the rules of the House, and they shall govern the proceedings of this committee unless amended. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of our Vice Chairman, the Honorable Daphne A. Lagon of the 6th District of Cebu. So on jurisdiction, we are directly and principally have the jurisdiction on population growth. No? By population growth, it does not only mean the quantity. No? It should be the quality also of the population. And the programs that would benefit the welfare of our population. So, lest that they will underestimate this committee. This committee is the most important because without this committee, the others will not exist. It is the Committee on Population. So they are only under us. Don't worry. We are the guiding star of this house. And of course, we have family planning, population census and statistics, and family relations, of course. On the mandate, the committee shall study, deliberate on acts upon or acts on bills, resolutions, privilege speeches, petitions, and communications referred to it, and recommend for approval or adoption by the House those that in its judgment advance the interest and promote the welfare of the people, and pursue dialogues and consultations with affected sectors and constituencies. So we will go out and consult with them, no? Have a dialogue on what are the problems of our people. There are so many, and we will try to provide them with some solutions. Of course, with the assistance of PhilHealth, my relative. No, Dr. Mercado is my relative. No, look at him. He looks like me. Oh, of course, Department of Health, Statistics, the DSWD, so many. This committee is encompassing actually because it involves the growth, the quality of the lives of our population. No? Hindi lang ito family planning or divorce or but we are more interested on how we can provide better service to our people.